你好，你好，你好，Hello, Hello, Hello，欢迎来到我的 YouTube 频道。我们今天会做饭，这个饭是那个，it's a Chinese food, 中国菜. It's actually called, it's like Shao Chao Ro. So it's actually a very famous food in some provinces in China. However, recent years, it's already been available in the most of the restaurants here in China. So anyway, I will show you how to cook this food. It's my first time, by the way, cooking this food. So just bear with me. I'll show it to you. Basic ingredients is the green chili, I suppose, or it's called it lajao here. Ranho uhuaro. This is like a pork belly. Ranho daswan, garlic, and other ingredients like shangchou. This is jiangyo, and of course my favorite one, jijing. And of course you need to add this hay doche. So it's like the black beans, fermented black beans here. By the way, this has been my knife since I arrived in China, which is actually quite useless. Now, the other day I bought a bigger one, which is now, I suppose, will be quite useful. However, when I bought this one, they've asked for my passport because I said that I'm a foreigner. They were basically asking for my national ID here. I said no, I don't have it because I'm a foreigner. They've asked my passport. I don't have my passport yesterday, so I have given my Kung Su Zhang, or it's like a work certificate ID, something like that, and they have accepted it. So in China, it's very strict. If you want to buy something like this, it has to be. I think you need to register your name or something. By the way, this is my first time really using this knife, so let's see how it works. Yeah, it seems to be okay. This is much better compared to this one. It was a nightmare using it. Okay, let me remove all the things inside and then I'll show you how it's being cut here. Okay, I have removed the inside, or the seeds actually. So for this one here, you have to chop it this way. And for me, I would need to wash it again to remove all this chili, green chili one is a little bit spicy, so I have to wash it again so that to remove the spicy part of it. Yeah. Next is to cut the meat now. By the way, I've already cut the garlic, or das one. Um, ang ganda ng kanilang bawang dito. Gusto ko yung bawang na dito. Now, it needs to be sliced into thin ones. So, parang ang hirap niya. Okay. Pero matalas siya. Okay. Pwede na. Sa totoo lang, in reality, I'm not really a cook. I don't really know how to cook that much. Kung sa Chinese pa, wubuhui, so fun. Tanshe, kapag nasa ibang bansa ka kasi, you need to cook. Otherwise, you will be spending a lot of money um, in ordering food from outside. I don't know if this is okay or not. This is the one. I think it's okay. Anyway, let me finish this one without having a video. For the meat, before we cook it, we would need to add a little bit of this is the light soy sauce. So it's in Chinese, it's called shangchou. Just a little bit of it, because we're going to be adding it later on as well. And then this is jiangyo, or soy sauce. I don't know if you could see it there. And then a little bit of jijing. Then we'll mix it up, and then after that we'll continue the cooking. So first what we need to do is to cook a little bit the green chili. Just to heat it up. No need to add anything at all. Once the texture becomes like this, then you have to remove it all from the pan. Now we can add some oil. I'm using olive oil, by the way. I always use olive oil. Now we add the marinated, I've only marinated it for about 5 minutes. Don't throw the leftover actually, you can still use it on later on. Just spread it around and cook it here. Okay. So we have to wait a little bit longer. We have to make sure that all the pork is cooked properly. I think I made a mistake here. The slices that I did is a little bit big. Should have been half of this one here. Anyway, I can't do anything now. Once you reckon that it's already cooked, you could add the garlic. Let it cook for a little bit more, and then you need to add the bigger ones. Now add the rest of the garlic. And this is the most important one. 要加那个黑豆豉。Let it cook for a while. Once we achieve this particular level now, you can see it's all cooked. Then we need to add the vegetable back again. Add the soy sauce. And wait for it to cook. By the way, just use the mid-level heat in cooking this one. Depending on your taste level, for me I wanted to add some soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce. A little bit of the dark soy sauce. again, Jijing. Gonna this a lot. A little bit of MSG. Mix it and wait until it's fully cooked here. It's fully cooked now and ready to be eaten. So this is the final product now. So bujueda jagatai naga feichang the houcher. Looks very delicious. I've tasted it earlier. It's the same taste that I normally would have, from a restaurant. So sa Tagalog pa nachambahan. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and then hope you'll join me again for my next videos. Bye bye.